Choosing the wrong material can cause your board to fail, even with the best layout design. When it comes to PCB design, one of the most critical decisions is selecting the board material. You have probably heard of FR4 and Rogers many times, but what is the real difference between them? Why are some projects completely successful with FR4, while others simply won't work without Rogers? FR4 is considered the most common material in the PCB industry. Made from woven fiberglass and epoxy resin, it is used in over 85% of electronic boards worldwide due to its cost-effectiveness, high mechanical strength, and reliable performance. For digital circuits, power supplies, microcontrollers, and most general-purpose applications, FR4 is the best choice in terms of cost and efficiency. However, when we enter the world of RF, microwave, telecommunications, and multi-gigahertz frequencies, FR4 reveals its limitations. At high frequencies, signal loss increases significantly, and the stability of electrical properties drops. This is exactly where Rogers comes into play. Rogers materials feature an extremely low dissipation factor and a highly stable dielectric constant, allowing high-frequency signals to transmit with minimal loss. This is why they are widely used in telecommunications equipment, antennas, automotive radars, 5G systems, and aerospace applications. Thermally, Rogers also offers a much more stable performance. Its lower coefficient of thermal expansion means that at high temperatures, the board experiences minimal mechanical stress, warping, or issues related to vias and sensitive components. The selection formula is simple. If your project is standard digital, industrial, or commercial, FR4 is your best and most economical option. But if you are dealing with RF, microwave, antennas, 5G, or high-frequency signals, Rogers can be the difference between a successful product and a failed project. Do you use FR4 or Rogers more in your projects? Let us know in the comments below. For expert PCB design tutorials, material selection guides, and professional board manufacturing, subscribe to the High PCB channel and hit the notification bell.